one too. Zero, 2.20. That's a great start. You can get 4 of these and a kicker, you're gonna win out here. That's a beautiful Neuse River largemouth. Let's get the release on this bad boy. You. Let's see if we can get another one. Pickerel. Quick release. Got a boat coming. Just gonna let this pass real quick.
The good old I'm just taking a candy break trick. Have you ever hid your fish from passing boats? If so, tell me your favorite way to do it in the comments below.
All right. Good thing I had a freaking boot on. Ow. You're not what we want. Don't you do it, bro. Oh, he came off. Great. Now I'm gonna get that guy in the boat. Little pickerel.